Hey guys, Dr. Jesse here, and in this video series, what we're trying to do is give you practical advice which can help you help yourself. Now, in one of the previous videos, we actually went through and helped you identify what posture type you've got. We went through the different sort of pains that you can get for each posture. Now, in this video, what we want to do is actually show you what you can do to help it in terms of what are the mirror image exercises that you should be applying to your posture. And this will help give you some relief. Now, we had 3 core postures. One was a sway back, one was the anterior pelvic tilt, and then we also had one we've got a short leg or an antalgia. So Shell, let's run through the sway back. So guys, in this one, what we're gonna see is Shelly is gonna be leaning way back too far. So pelvis is here, the middle back's gonna be rounding, head's pushing forward, getting things like headaches, low back pain. So the way we're gonna address this is with a block. You can also use the rolled up towel. And we're basically gonna do the exact opposite of Shelly's posture. This is the whole mirror image. So we're gonna place a block because we wanna push her, because her back's rounded, we wanna reverse that. So we're gonna stick her bum here on the wall, and we're gonna have her turn her hands outways, and we're gonna retract the shoulders and head hard against the wall. And what I want Shelly to do is really squeeze it for about a second and then relax. I'm gonna do this 10 times. Important, keeping the bum on the wall and really retracting the shoulders. The beauty of it though, is you're talking 10 seconds worth of work, not hours. All you've got to do, 1 second hold 10 times. And if you can do this every 45 minutes to an hour, when you're sitting or you're knitting or you're hunched over a workbench or whatever it is you do, this will help reset your posture, get you upright and give you some relief. Now the next one is the anterior pelvic tilt. So in this case, Shelly's pelvis or bum sticking back, her back's shifting forward. So she's really sticking that butt out. We need to put it behind the butt. Now, Shelly's then gonna use her tummy muscles, and her job is shoulders back against that wall, is to really try and flatten her low back hard against the wall. She's really gonna feel it in her tummy, but you'll see that the hips actually rotate back and we start to get a more natural curve in the low back. Now, the idea is you're exaggerating normal, because if you imagine, if you're doing this or this all day and your body gets a chance to do the opposite, you're taking so much stress off the ligaments, the muscles, the discs, your body's gonna thank you. Now, if that's too difficult, the other thing you can do is this on the floor. So Shel, do you wanna demonstrate this one on the floor for me, please? So in this instance, put that, if you want to sit on that, so that's going to be under your pelvis, yep. And lay down, keep your knees bent. The height of this block is going to make it more or less aggressive. So you can use a rolled up towel. Make sure you're using the right height for you. The other thing I would say is if any of this aggravates your back, please stop, give us a call so we can help you. Don't make things worse. Now, while she's like that though, again, squeezing your tummy muscles, try and flatten your low back against the floor, and you can see she's doing the opposite. This is exactly what we need. At nighttime, this sort of posture will find it very difficult to lay flat on your back. And it's because of that increased curve. So by doing this, it'll feel like relief. It'll feel like the weight and the tension's just coming out of your spine. It's a really neat exercise. Now, do you want to roll over and pop up? Now, lastly is scoliosis. Do you want to stand up for me? So if Shelly is standing crooked one way, we want to do the opposite. Yeah, so in this case, facing that way. So let's say Shelly is standing like this. We're gonna put her block here, and what we wanna try and do is squeeze the lower back across the other way. Again, it's gonna take the tension off the spine this side, activate the muscles this side, and really make her feel a lot better about it. Now guys, this is obviously somewhat basic information. There's a lot more to it than this, but what you'll find is if you identify your posture correctly and you do the right mirror image exercise, it really goes a long way to giving you relief. In our office, we go a lot further than that. We use all these special things called Denerolls, which not just strengthen your muscles, but actually stretch ligaments. So you're addressing the spine and the ligament. This is for more advanced correction where we're literally trying to get before and after x-rays. It's actually really cool. Now, if you do want more help, because a lot of people are sitting at home thinking, well, is that for me? Am I doing it right? Can a chiropractor help me? My best recommendation, click on the link below, book yourself in a free 15-minute chat with one of our docs. The whole idea is they can talk with you, discuss your problem, find out if you're a good candidate for the type of care we do. If not, they'll point you in the right direction. But if you are, they'll walk you through the next steps so that you're in control of your health and you can get back to doing the things you want to be doing sooner. Anyway, I hope to see you soon. I'll see you in the next video.